Hi everyone, what's up? It's Jayden. So I'm in my backyard right now because I'm gonna do a little fun project. Please ignore the slooshing sounds. It's my water fountain. I'm gonna be making some tie-dye, which is pretty fun and exciting. I literally have had this kit for like a month and I've been putting off doing it. I don't know why. So today's the day. We got the colors, some gloves, rubber bands, a guide, and a little plastic cover. So let me read the general instructions because Lord knows I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, that seems easy enough. I've been obsessed with the sets that are like sweatpants and tank tops that are tie-dye, so I was like, instead of buying some, I'm gonna make my own. So first things first, let me set up my station. So the next step is filling all the dye bottles with some water, but I don't want to do it in my house, so I just brought a big jug of water out. Ooh, not great. Ooh, I'm actually gonna do it over the fountain. That way, I'm genius. And then shake. Please do not come undone. First one is done. My parents are looking at me. So I just dyed this whole thing and realized I wasn't filming. So that's a big L on my part. I'm gonna let this one dry. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the sweatpants. I'm making this shirt blue and purple. So here we go. Okay, so that kind of looks awful, but we're gonna set it up to dry now. That is the biggest bee I've ever seen. No, get away from my tie-dye, that's mine. Okay, this is the last shirt. This one I'm going to do rainbow stripes. Here we go. Okay, so I had two more that I was gonna dye, but I am so exhausted and it's like 100 degrees out. So here are the ones I did. I did a rainbow one, two pink ones, and a purple and green one. So I'm gonna be back in like 6 hours to see how they came out. Okay guys, so it's actually the next day and we've let all of them sit overnight and now we're gonna wash each of them separately and then I will come back with the results. Okay, so basically we got all of my clothes out of the washer. 2 of them epically failed and 2 of them really worked out. And I was feeling really discouraged. I was like, oh, like I messed up, like I did so bad, but I can't be so hard on myself. And I just wanna like make this a lesson that if things go wrong, that's okay. You always have to look on the bright side. So basically, 2 of them were an epic fail. I'll show you those first. The sweatpants, they're a little bit tie-dyed, like a little bit, but I don't think it's cute. I think it's like so faint that it looks like it's not on purpose and I like spilled on myself. So I'm not even gonna try these on because they ain't cute. And then next, the rainbow shirt looked so good before we washed it. And then, okay, it's not bad. It's just not good. Basically, for these 2, they weren't made out of cotton. I realized that you can't tie-dye on non-cotton material. Cotton is one of the only materials that'll hold it, so that's why these failed. But that's okay because we have 2 major successes. First off, we have this t-shirt that I think is actually super cute. It's like green and purple, and even though it's not a perfect swirl, you can still tell that it's a swirl. I don't know. I think I might wear this a couple times. It needs to be ironed, but I think it's actually cute. Okay, so here's the first shirt, and I actually really like it, except for this one part. I think that's really ugly. So what I think I'm gonna do, wear it backwards, but cut this so it has a bigger neckline, but like, look how cute it is, like tied. I don't know, I kind of like it. I think it might be cute, I just don't like that. But everything else I think is really cute. So yeah, first shirt was a success. And then my all-time favorite, the tank top, turned out exactly how I wanted it to. Now I haven't tried this tank top on, so I don't know if it'll fit me right, but you'll see in the next clip if it does. But I think it's so, 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 so cute, and I really, really hope it fits me, so we'll see in the next clip. The tank top fits perfect. Alert, the tank top fits perfectly. Look at this. So it's really long. Look at how long it this. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. What a success. I got a super cute tank top out of it. Oh my god, love it. It fits better than I could have ever imagined. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I just wanted to try something new. And don't beat yourself up if all your projects don't go the right way. That is something that I really need to work on because I'm so hard on myself. But I think it actually went really well. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I love you guys. Bye!